Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss hashing methods. Actually there are 4 types of hashing method: division method, folding method, mid square method, truncate method. These are all the 4 methods in hashing methods. First we will see division method. If the hash table size starts from 0, then h of k equal to k modulus n. That means if the hash table size starts from 0, then h of k equal to k modulus 1. If the hash table size starts from 1, then h of k equal to k modulus n plus 1 is used. Okay. Okay. Here we have two constants. That means hash table starts from 0, hash table starts from 1. Okay. I need to change the hash table values. Seven, 8. Okay. After changing, now solve this problem. Here key equal to 15. That means h of 15. H of 15 is equal to h of 15 is equal to k modulus n first. If index starts from 0, k modulus n, that is 15 modulus n 10. N equal to 10 here, so 15 modulus 10, which is equal to 5. That means at fifth place you need to push the value 15. If index starts 0, this is the condition. Okay. At fifth place you need to push this value 15. Next, if index starts from 1, then h of k, that means h of 15 is equal to k modulus n plus 1, that means 15 modulus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So at sixth place you need to push the value 15 if index starts from 1. 15. Okay. Next, folding method. In folding method, again there are two variants in folding method. First one is folding by non-divisible, another one is folding by a shift parameter. Okay. Folding by individual and another one is folding by shift parameter. First, in folding by individual method, each and every element in the key value has been folded and then division method is applied. Okay. Division method is applied here. First you need to fold the each and every element and then division method should apply. Folding means first divide this all the numbers and then add them. Okay, let's see how it works. Solution for this: first key given key equal to 4679, okay, and comma n equal to 10 given. So now we need to fold the key. How it can be done is, 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. Total value is 26. This is the folded value, folded key value. Now we need to perform modulo division with this key element. Now h of k equal to 26. Modulo division n value how much? 10. So value equal to 6. So at 6th place you need to insert this 4679 key. 4679. 4679 is inserted at 6th place by using the folding by an individual method. Now see folding by shift parameter method. In this shift parameter method, it is used to fold the elements in key value and then division method is applied. Folding by individual method, we have folded individually. That means each and only we have taken single element. That means individually we have folded. Here by using shift parameter, we are going to fold the elements. Example, consider key equal to 4679, n equal to 10 and shift parameter is 2. That means 2 elements should be shifted here. Okay, shifted to fold the elements. Let's see how it works. Solution. Given key equal to 4679, right? Next we need to find the new key value by using the folding by shift parameter method. Here shift parameter equal to 2. That means we need to divide this into 2 elements. 46 plus 79. 10 value equal to 125. This is the new key value. Now we need to perform the hashing. K equal to 125 modulo division 10. The value equal to 5. So at 5th position you need to insert the 4679 by using this folding by shift parameter method. Okay. This is the way you need to use folding by shift parameter. By using the folding method, you have inserted key at 6th position. But by using folding by shift parameter, we have inserted key at 5th position. So key is same, but by using different method, we can insert the key in different positions. Next.